electrons and photons. प्लानर लिख लो आप. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Your test on law of motion. I will send a sheet. From that you will practice. Work, power, energy, and waves and oscillation. Yes, Katan?
Sir, that our college exam was remaining no first time. So for that we are having EMI and AC both.
When is your exam?
So that they are not telling us, but it will be probably now.
Now means after 1 day, after 2 days?
No. It may be after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So this chapter will take only 2 days.
Okay.
After that, because otherwise you will not be able to do all this part. These are all difficult which I have given Sunday's test.
Yes.
अभी आपको मैं शीट भेज दूंगा किसमें से टेस्ट होगा. मतलब एक शीट ये, एक दो, ये तीन, फिर ऑसिलेशन वाला, फिर वेव मोशन वाला, फिर स्टेशनरी वेव वाला, ये सब से उसमें से ही टेस्ट पेपर बनेगा. So today we are starting electron photon. Homework for you will be law of motion 1 to 50 sum today. This is 51 to 100. Then 101 to 151. 200 sum है इसमें. 150 to 200. ऐसे कर लेंगे क्या आप लोग? इतना करना तो चाहिए. फिर वर्क, पावर, एनर्जी. This is law of motion, law of motion, law of motion, law of motion. Work, power, energy. Practice here. Waves and oscillation. अब ये इतना इजी नहीं है, थोड़ा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा. Waves and oscillation from the same sheet. नया नहीं करता हूँ. From the same. Law of motion, work, power, energy. Last year I had sent. Once again I will send you with solution so that you can revise faster. Now, extra class. Today it is possible. Yes, today possible. 10:15 to 11.
Yes.
Okay. And Tuesday possible.
Yes.
Tuesday also
Yes.
possible? Okay. This Wednesday
Hello,
also
sir.
possible? No.
Hello, sir.
Say na, say.
Sir, actually, tomorrow I am going to my native place.
अच्छा, तो रिकॉर्ड कर के भेज दूंगा ना.
हाँ चलेगा. हाँ.
लॉ ऑफ मोशन. अरे सॉरी, लॉ ऑफ मोशन नहीं. थर्सडे चलेगा? थर्सडे.
Yes, sir.
थर्सडे का हो गया. फ्राइडे.
Yes.
नहीं थर्सडे नहीं, सॉरी थर्सडे नहीं. थर्सडे अब बस इतने दो ही. फ्राइडे. फ्राइडे विल डू. फ्राइडे एक और रख लेता हूँ. फ्राइडे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
10:15 to 11. बस इतना, तीन. मंडे, ट्यूसडे एंड फ्राइडे. वेडनेसडे वाज पॉसिबल?
No, sir.
ओके, तो इतना तीन खा लिया. 3 दिन चलेगा ये 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then write heading on new page properly. Electrons, photon, one of the easiest chapter of the syllabus. Few chapters are bonus for you. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
सर
हाँ बेटा,
सर लॉस ऑफ मोशन मतलब फ्रिक्शन भी आएगा ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, लॉ ऑफ मोशन में देखो क्या क्या आएगा, बता दो आपको। न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ, न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ, न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ, कोलिजन, टाइप ऑफ कोलिजन, फ्रिक्शन, सर्कुलर मोशन, इतना आएगा। और मैं शीट भेजूंगा ना, उसमें से ही करना है आपको। Now, as I said, one of the easiest chapter we are starting. What are electrons? What are electrons? The negatively charged particles. Negatively charged particles. Who is the source of electron? The cathode, na? It is called cathode.
Yes.
So cathode emits electrons. Thus, cathode rays are beam of electrons. So when they say cathode rays, that means they are talking about beam of electrons. What is charge of electron?
1.6 into 10.
10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. What is mass of electron?
9.1 into 10 raised to minus 20.
minus 24 में, minus
27.
31 kg. और 27 जो है वो प्रोटॉन के लिए है। 1.067 into 10 raised to minus 27 kgs for proton. Right, for electron this much.
So please send the planner in the group.
What to send on the group?
Planner.
I'm sending. Just give me 1 minute.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. Photons. Our chapter name is electrons and photons. So what are photons? Electrons are negatively charged particle obtained from cathode. So what are photons?
Positively.
No, ये common mistake है. They are chargeless. Photon मतलब light, ना? Light. They are not proton or electron. So the packets or bundles of energy. The packets or bundles of energy obtained from source of light. The packets or bundles of energy obtained from point source of light are called as photons. They are also called as quanta. That's why quantum physics is branch of light. They are also called as quanta. The energy of each photon equal to h nu, where h is equals to Planck's constant. Its value is 6.634 into 10 raised to minus 34 joules second. Nu equals to frequency of radiation. Let's copy this much. Packets or bundles of energy obtained from source of light, not point, khali source of light. It can be point, it can be linear, are called as photons. They are also called as quanta. Energy of each photon is h nu, where h is equals to Planck's constant. Its value is 6.634 into 10 raised to minus 34 joules second. Nu is frequency of radiation. Done?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. If n photons are emitted per second, then energy comma E by T equals to n h nu by T. See, what is energy unit? Joule, na?
Yes.
But if they say watt, that means it is energy per unit time.
Yes.
Okay. Intensity I is energy per unit time per unit area. So if they say 3 watt per meter square, that means they are talking about what? Intensity. So एक का energy h nu, n second में per unit time this much. This is will be our formula. So maximum they can ask you individual h nu per second, nu n h nu upon t, intensity, then n h nu upon ta. Now do point or for point source, I is proportional to square of distance. For linear source, I is proportional to distance, inversely proportional to distance.
difference.
Okay. कितना देर बात करेगा दूसरे से? आप 11:15 से ट्राई कर रहा हो तो आपको दिखता नहीं कि उधर कॉल आ रहा है? वो तो दिखा तो वो कॉल कैंसिल करके मेरे से बात करने का है ना आपको। वही कैसा किया? अभी कितना बज रहा है? 11:40 हो रहा है ना, तो 11:15 से 11:40 में अभी किया आपने। आपको क्या लगता है कि मैं फ्री बैठ के आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ क्या उधर? यार दिमाग का दही करते हो सुबह सुबह, बस क्या यार। ये 3 बार मैं कर चुका, चौथी बार आपने उठाया। मैं बिजी रहेगा 2 मिनट में आपको वापस करना है ना। मैं बिजी रह सकता हूँ, आप थोड़ी बिजी रह सकते हो, क्योंकि आपका काम ऐसा नहीं कि तुरंत करना है। मेरा काम तो तुरंत लाइव चालू है। ये सब चीज मैं आपको समझाते बैठूंगा क्या? एक तो जो बोलता वो आप करते नहीं। मैंने बोला लॉ ऑफ मोशन और वर्क पावर का एनर्जी साथ में चाहिए पेपर, आपने दो अलग अलग दे दिया। क्या मतलब है इसका? लॉ ऑफ मोशन वर्क पावर एनर्जी का बनाया था ना आपने एक साथ, दे तो दोगे आप, लेकिन 10:30 से 11:30 टाइम खा गया, उसका भी क्या करूं? बहुत काम रहता है, इसके बाद मुझे और भी काम आपको बोलना है, लेकिन 5 मिनट का काम को 10:30 से मेरा बात हुआ, आपका भी बज रहा है 11:40। 10:30 से 11:40 में 1 घंटे 10 मिनट में क्या काम हुआ? ये ना, ये काम 5 मिनट वाला है क्या? नहीं, क्यों लिमिट क्रॉस कर रहे हो यार, और मजबूर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? मैं रोज अपने आप को संभालता हूँ, लेकिन रोज मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर हाई कर दे। हेलो हेलो।
Yes, sir.
नाउ इन नोट you should remember relation between charge and masses of few fundamental quantities like proton, electron, helium, alpha. In this chapter and even in moving charge, we have to find ratio of charges and masses many times. So first one, basic, you should remember charge of electron and mass of electron. And then I will tell you in terms of relation. Now, charge of proton is same as electron. Charge of deuteron is same as charge of proton. Charge of alpha, helium, both are twice the charge of proton. Then mass of proton is 1840 times mass of electron. Mass of deuteron is double the mass of proton. Mass of alpha and mass of helium are 4 times mass of proton. This 8 relations you have to remember. Copy this 8 relation.
Done, sir.
So we did what are electrons, photon, and relation. So this chapter is, as I said, very simple. But see, ratios when asked, you should know the relations properly. Intensity inversely proportional to square of distance for point source, inversely proportional to distance for linear source. Next one. Threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. See, anything is threshold, मतलब या तो एकदम maximum or it is minimum. This is called threshold. So sometimes we say heat is at threshold. मतलब क्या? Maximum or minimum?
Max.
Cold is at threshold. So minimum temperature, na?
Yes.
So threshold is either maximum or minimum. What is the energy of one photon? H nu. Out of these two, who is constant?
H.
H. That means this frequency can be maximum, can be minimum, can be anything.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose this is one surface which can absorb the light energy. तो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं फोटो. फोटो मतलब लाइट. Sensitive material. That means it can absorb the light energy. Photosensitive material. This much clear?
Yes.
So when it absorbs the light energy, those atoms, so electron भी absorb करेगा energy. Hello.
Yes, sir.
इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर से अगर निकल गया तो इधर पॉजिटिव चार्ज छोड़ के गया ना सरफेस पे, तो दोनों के बीच में स्ट्रॉन्ग अट्रैक्शन रहता है ना.
Yes.
अगर ये अट्रैक्शन फोर्स लाइट एनर्जी के एनर्जी की वजह से ब्रेक हो गया तो इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर आ जाएगा ना.
Yes.
वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम लोग बोलते हैं फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो इफ आई गो ऑन इंक्रीजिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी, एक स्टेज आएगा जब एनर्जी h nu 0 is sufficient enough to overcome this strong force of attraction.
Yes.
So that frequency is called threshold. For clearing 12th standard, what percentage is required? 35 है ना.
Yes, sir.
So somebody says sir I have passed, मतलब उसको minimum 35 मिला है, गारंटी है क्या? नहीं.
Correct.
तो 100 मिला रहेगा तो भी पास है क्या ना.
Yes, sir.
So when threshold comes, इसका मतलब कम से कम उतना ताकत तो चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा रहेगा तो बोनस है. So I will say like this now. The minimum frequency of light, the minimum frequency of light incident on photosensitive material. Minimum frequency of light incident on photosensitive material, so that photo electrons are just emitted, is called as threshold frequency. The minimum frequency of light incident on photosensitive material, so that photoelectrons are just emitted, is called as threshold frequency. It is denoted by nu 0. This is symbol nu 0. Copy.
Done, sir.
Okay. इस 8 में रखना। Then write threshold work function. 1 second. हाँ पे अरे हाँ पे ये 5 को देने के लिए वो भी आ गया। अच्छा ठीक है सर। अच्छा ठीक है सर। वो मैंने बोला निकलने चलेगा दोनों को फिर रख दो 8:30 में। हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
Mohit is not there. Let him no let him yeah no problem, let him recover, and whenever he is recovered we'll speak, and whatever is left out for him we'll try to complete. Okay. No issue, madam. No issue. No issue. Let him take care when he gets well now. Then we will speak out. Everything is present. If whatever, So we 3 of will be there on the Zoom. Let's see like what is situation in this week. If it is everything okay, we'll start from coming week. Yeah. You'll be comfortable in offline or online? No problem. Let him get first cured, then we'll see. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you. Threshold wavelength. See, I told threshold means either maximum or minimum. So minimum frequency of light incident. Frequency means related to energy. Any relation between frequency and wavelength? Direct?
Inversely proportional.
Yes. So when this is minimum, this will be maximum, no?
Yes. Yes.
So small change in the word. The maximum wavelength of light incident on photosensitive material. Maximum wavelength of light incident on photosensitive material, so that photoelectrons are just emitted, is called as threshold wavelength. It is denoted by lambda 0, right?
Done, sir.
Okay. No. So for photo emission or photoelectron emission, frequency of light incident should be greater than or equal to threshold, and wavelength should be less than equal to threshold. So sometimes they will ask, will there be emission? Check whether the light frequency is greater than equal to threshold or wavelength is less than equal to threshold.
Done.
Work function. This is denoted by W naught or phi naught. The minimum energy of light incident on photo sensitive material. Minimum energy of light incident on photosensitive material, so that photo electrons are just emitted is called as work function. It is denoted by W naught or phi naught. Therefore, W naught equals to h nu 0, which is same as hc upon lambda 0. Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. So work function is W0, h nu 0 or hc by lambda 0. Next is photo electric effect. The phenomenon of emission of electrons when light of frequency greater than threshold. The phenomenon of emission of electrons when light of frequency greater than threshold is incident on photosensitive material is called as photoelectric effect. The phenomenon of emission of electrons when light of frequency greater than threshold is incident on photosensitive material is called as photoelectric effect. The electrons emitted are called as photoelectrons, right? The electrons emitted are called as photoelectrons. Completed?
Yes, sir. Done.
With neat labeled circuit diagram, explain characteristics of photoelectric effect. Explain characteristics of photoelectric effect. With neat labeled circuit diagram, explain characteristics of photoelectric effect.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see circuit diagram first, then characteristics. For 2 marks, most of the time they have asked only circuit diagram. So it consists of evacuated glass tube in which 2 electrodes cathode called as emitter and plate called as collector are sealed. The side wall is connected to another tube with quartz window W, which allows only the light of frequency greater than ultraviolet to light of certain frequency to pass. Because if wavelength is large, then frequency will be small. There won't be emission. It will only hit the emitter without any photoelectrons emitted. So it allows only certain frequency of light to be incident through them. S is the source of known and variable frequency. That means we can vary and we can monitor that wavelength. From here, light is incident on the emitter. Just draw this much. This is called reversing key. Central wala point पे emitter collector are connected. These two are joined together. ऐसा connect किया मतलब these two terminals are connected, which we can shift to up also. This is called reversing key, denoted by K. Copy this much. I draw the diagram this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. After this, see what to do. Here we have to connect through rheostat battery. Battery is connected here. Positive, negative, battery denoted by B. This is rheostat. And voltmeter, ammeter are connected in series and parallel. So here we have voltmeter connected in parallel across battery to record the potential, plus side plus, minus side minus. Here milliammeter, because current is very small. Current electron ऐसा बाहर आएगा from emitter to collector and fall down. So current ulta pass होएगा. This is positive, this is negative. This completes your diagram. They can ask for 2 marks. G. Just draw the diagram. Then below you can write meaning of all these alphabets. Completed diagram?
Yes, sir.
And this notation's meaning also write down for you?
Yes, sir, done.
Others have done?
Yes.
Okay. One more line below that, write down V voltmeter. V voltmeter. Now we'll study the circuit diagram, then one by one characteristics for behavior. Total there are 4 characteristics to be studied. It consists of evacuated glass tube G in which 2 electrodes, collector C and emitter E are sealed. The side wall is connected to another tube with quartz window W. S is source of light of known and variable frequency. The collector and emitter are connected to the positive just complete this much.
Done, sir.
The collector and emitter are connected to the positive and negative terminal of battery B through reversing key K and rheostat RH. The milliammeter MA, voltmeter V records current and potential difference. So circuit explanation over. Now characteristics explanation. Done writing?
Wait, sir.
Maximum one more lecture required to complete theory.
Done, sir.
Fine. Now, first one, effect of frequency. So first we'll study what will happen when frequency is changed from maximum to minimum. Sorry, minimum to some value. So when we keep intensity constant and maintain collector at positive potential with respect to emitter, will it attract the electron if collector is kept at positive potential? Will it attract the electron? If collector is positive, will it attract electron?
Yes.
हाँ हाँ, तो ये इंस्टेंट है ना. इलेक्ट्रॉन निगेटिव, कलेक्टर को पॉजिटिव रखा, तो if electron emitted, it will attract. But for that we require electron, no, first. To remove electron, we require energy of light to be greater than 3 per function.
Yes.
So if frequency is 0, मतलब वो चार्ज के पास कोई भी एनर्जी नहीं. मतलब ऐसा एक बच्चे को 12th का एग्जाम देने का है, वो अभी नर्सरी ज्वाइन किया, तो क्या मार्क मिलेगा उसको? 0 मार्क मिलेगा ना. So no output, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So as I go on increasing frequency at certain frequency, our milliammeter just shows deflection. इसका मतलब current flow हो गया ना, उल्टा direction of electron. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I just note that just deflection वाला, एकदम हल्का सा deflection. So this is threshold. As if you start increasing frequency, then this photoelectric current will start increasing like this. Diagram followed. First graph followed.
Yes, sir.
Complete this much, then writing part. Only one characteristics will do today. 3 more are there, as I told. Today evening we have lecture. In that I will try to complete characteristics and photoelectric equation. All other lectures started offline?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not yet?
No, sir.
At the moment everybody start, just let me know. Because when you will come, then I will also start at the same time.
Done, sir.
Everybody complete, then write up on this will do.
Done.
Okay. Now, well, it's explanation. Keeping intensity of light constant. See, intensity of light constant means packets or bundle of energy. Suppose in class I have got 50 students, I'm keeping them constant, and then I'm teaching them from smaller level to higher level, and then if I give exam, all of them get very good mark. So first I am keeping that packet constant, that bundle constant. Now I'm increasing the energy. Intensity of light constant and maintaining frequency, and maintaining collector at positive potential with respect to emitter. So keeping intensity of light constant and maintaining collector at positive potential with respect to emitter. Now, if frequency is increased, it is found that up to certain frequency, no photo electrons are emitted, but at certain frequency, up to certain frequency, photoelectrons are not emitted, but at one of the frequency, photoelectrons are just emitted as emitter just gets deflected, This frequency is called as threshold frequency. So we got one characteristics that frequencies, the photoelectrons are emitted only when frequency is greater. This is called threshold frequency. Then if frequency is further increased, photoelectric current increases non-linearly. As shown. In the graph. So today we'll stop here. Second, third, fourth characteristics in the next lecture. Done? Full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody has done full?
Yes, sir.
Now see how simple this chapter is.